Hi, Assalamualaikum and a good day. So I'm going to continue for our second activity where we're going to draw the shaft. Okay, this is going to be our second part. Okay, as you can see, this shaft is very symmetrical. Okay, they have symmetrical parts, so it's easy to draw. And for my plan for what we're going to do, okay. Wait, where's my plan? So here we start with our center line first. Okay, draw a center line, and the line is around 358, and then we are going to do the same part as before, like casing our top left, okay, part of your shaft, and then we do the mirroring at the midpoint of your shaft to get your right side. Okay, after mirroring the at the y-axis, and then we can get we mirror at x-axis to get our bottom part. Okay, so the step is quite the same. So if you're, and then we can go to the, I think, as you can see, at the end of this, at the end of the shaft, there's a chamfer, okay, with a distance width of, I think, around 1 to 1. Okay, the distance is 1 to 1. And then we have the key that going to be deep in the shaft. So the thickness, the depth of this key is around 3.5. And this is going to be like, so we start from at the end of this line, it's around, there will be around 4 cm from here, starting from here, because you have radius around 3. So the length of this key is around 36. Okay, and then we need to draw the cross section to get to see inside right of the key. So we're going to use the command of spline, where you can get it from here at the draw. Okay, this is common spline. You need to we can draw a smooth curve. So make sure if you want to have a smooth curve, you need to undo the ortho mode. So here at the right side, we are going to insert the taper pin. So this part also you're going to draw the like a cross section inside it. It's having a diameter of 6. So I think we're going to draw the center line first, and then we're doing the offset for each side of with 3 millimeters. Okay, then settle for this part. Then you can print out to your A3 size with the title block that you have done from the lab 1. Okay, let's try to draw it first. Okay, we start with our center line. So I think the shaft going to be reduced from 40 to 30 to 28 to 20. And then the length, make sure you measure it first. Okay, the length is around 50, 30, 24, and 34, 24, and 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 45, 55. Okay. So like the back, okay, here. As you can see, actually, I already draw. I don't know how many. Okay, what you're going to do is first select the lines. Okay, the lines. Make sure you click your ortho mode and click at any point. Go to your right side. The length is around 358 millimeters. So click enter and then escape. So you get this as your center line. Then we're going to start at the end of your shaft. So this is the ending point, right? So L line. So make sure you get this, okay, ending point. If you get the green part, green square, then you can start. So click it. So 10, and brings around 45, and go upwards around 4, and 4, and oh, again back. Okay, start upwards around 8, 10, then 45, enter, and then going up around 4, going up around 4, and going to the right around 24, going up around 1, 30, going up again around 5, and to your right side. It's around, yeah, okay, 80, because the length was around, it's under 60 divided by 2 is 80. Okay, cool, escape. So as you can see that the shaft is reduced, right? There's a line going to cross the center line, because they have a different parts, different size of the shaft as it getting reduced. So what we need to do, we need to have an extension line by referring to our extension line by referring to our center line. So just click extend. Okay, after you click your center line, click extend, then just click here. So keep doing it. Okay, then skip. So finish for that part. So let's go to our chamfer. We want to set our chamfer. So CHA as your chamfer, click chamfer, and then you guys click your, oh, you need to set your distance first, okay? The distance will be 1 to 1. D, 1, 2, 1. Okay, cool. So then you can select first line. Here's your first line, and then the connection to the another line going to be the top one. Okay, then you already get your chamfer. So later on, remember to drag the line of your right here, because it reduces, right, the size. So drag it to, so the line is around 10, and okay. So after finish this part, okay, you already have the top left of your shaft. What I said that we need to do the mirror. So you just need to select your this line, and then click MI as your mirror. So select your midpoint. So make sure it's at the center. So click enter. So okay, done. You already get your top part. So what you need to do is just select all again. If you can see, it's actually I'm doing it on the same interface as casing, because I already set all the layers that I want. I mean the hatching layers, there's solid layers, there's normal layers, and also the center lines layers. Okay, so that's why I just use this interface. So I'm not going to repeat again that steps. So you can refer back to our previous video on how to set up the layers. So if you want to unselect it, okay, remember shift, okay, there. So we're just going to need to mirror it, MI. And so as you can see, the center line need to be have extension around 3 millimeters. So what you need to do is just drag it. Three millimeters. So apply it to the other side too. So around 3. Okay. So you have this. So you can select the part which is the solid part. Okay, save it as your solid layers. Click all and select the center lines. And then just go to your layers, insert it, and then set up it as solid. Okay, done. So if you're going to see on your drawing panels, it should be on blue color, should be in blue color. So next, you just need to click this one as your center line. Okay, nice. So you finished drawing your overall shaft. So the part that we need to have a cross section because they're installed it inside the shaft. So there's a key inside here. So the distance is from this line is around 4. So this chamfer is already 1. So you can start line to draw around 3. Click it. Go to your right side. 3. Go to the depth. So the depth going to be around 3.5 millimeters. And then go to your right side. Means the length is around 330, right? And the radius is around 3. So the overall length going to be 36 millimeters. Enter. And then we finish up with going back up around 3.5. Okay, skip. So you have that. So you just select it, select the line, and save it as your solid line. Okay. So next, how are you going to draw your spline? So make sure if you want to draw spline, you need to undo your auto, and then just click spline, or you just type spline. So I'm going to have a freestyle. Doesn't matter. For this cross section. Then we need to trim the unwanted ones. Okay, because it's already to show you the cross section, so you just need to delete inside something, the line that have been crossed. So here, just delete this one and then delete this one. Okay, there. Okay, let's go to the other side first. Then we can set up with what need to draw the hatching part. As you can see for this part, there we install the taper pin right inside it. And the line from this point is around 10 millimeters. So click it, go to your, so it's movable, just click this one, around 10. And then draw your, just drag the line, D2. So until you reach its state that perpendicular, then just click enter. After enter, then as I said, the diameter is around 6, so we can use offset for with 3 millimeters for each side. So 3. So again, 1, 3. So this again, go to the right side, 1, 3, and so. Okay, so nice. So as I said that every center lines need to have like an extension of 3 meters. So 3 meter, skip. Lengthen. Ash. 1, 3, enter. So this part also you need to draw the spine, right? So just click spline, spline. So okay, need to undo the output. So enter, skip. So delete all the unnecessary using a string. That's what you did before. Because it's cross section, you can see inside it. So you just delete it. This line, and this line. So this is center line, so it's okay. I ignored it. And then yes, this extra line. Okay, done. Okay. So this is your center line. This is your, is this going to be your solid line? So select your solid line. Solid line, so install it as solid. So your spline line is going to be your normal line. And this also, this is going to be the center line. Okay. Okay, then, so this part, you need to do the hatching. It's like a cross section, right? So you just click hatch. So just click pick point, which point you want. This is going to be here. So you need to install this as your hatch line. So there you go. Okay, this for a type of pin, and for this right side, okay. This line is going to be our normal line. So save it as our normal line layers. So to have this hash design, insert so the big point going to be inside it. Okay, there you go. So I hope you will get like this. So for now, I didn't teach you how to do the dimension yet, but you can actually try and error. You need to set the dimension. So maybe later we'll show you how to do the dimension. So we have finished our shaft part. So you just need to upload it in your layout with the A3 size, and you need to have your title block that you have been learned, and then save it as a PDF and send it to me. So I think, and please try your another 2 assignment. Okay, try to draw it and click and state which is the solid line, where's the center lines and everything, and have fun. Okay, thank you again and see you again after the semester break. Bye. Assalamualaikum.